Hello friends, my name is Maipal Singh and in this video I am going to draw a head, especially here. So start with a circle like that. This is the center line, eye line, eyes on the both side, equal shape, then dark eyelashes. It makes eyes more attractive. Then round pupil. Little bit shining, you can see it. It have to dark on the upper side, light on the lower side, like this. So now its eyes complete. Dark. So a wide circle for nose. This is bridge of the nose and then giving shape to the circle. Here's a nostrils and other things. And eyebrows here, dark thin eyebrows. And then lips. First you have to give shape like this. This is, you can see the shape is a flow, a curve. Then little bit arrangement for lower lip. Just little touches. Then shading to the upper lip, shading under the lower lip. Okay. Then mark for chin. Then cheeks or jaw going down to the chin. Again another side, also the same. As you can see, face is little tilted. Ear hair, normal ear, some jewelry in the ear. Another side also. And now the neck. This is very narrow neck. And now erasing the unnecessary lines. And now dark under the neck. This is shadow. And now here. Start here. Start with curve. and then going down because of the gravity. Going upper from the ear. As we can see, it's a wide strip. Here, and the another side the same. Hairs going down. It is the ear because the hair is overlapping the ear. See here, hair behave like a strip of cloth if you twist it. So the another side also the same here. Just curved lines, not any sharp corner in this line. Then upper or back hairs. So now it's looking nice. So now to make shine on the hair, we have to leave mid portion empty and side portion shaded. You can see mid portion shining. So this technique we use in the hair. Mostly in the front hair. Which is the front of the light or whatever. As you can see, the hair is shining. And the portion under the hair is dark. Because of there were no light. Another side the same. It is totally shaded because of the shadow of the head. So this is back side. So it is more shaded, and this is the front side. So this is shining. Little bit shading on the feature of the mouth, on the cheeks. So now shoulders. Not so wide shoulder. This is the neck bone and line for cloth. It's very normal. Shadow under the hairs, little bit on eyes, some design on the cloth. It was almost complete. Also shadow here. So this is a female head ready. Little bit arrangement or shadow. So this is a female head. Hope you enjoying that. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.